Are you experiencing discomfort or pain in your hips? The hips are a crucial joint that can often suffer from tightness or restriction due to factors like sitting for long hours, poor posture, or physical activities. But don't worry, we're here to help. In this tutorial, we'll show you some simple and effective techniques using the KOAPRO Massage Tools to release tension in your hips and improve your mobility. First, it's important to warm up your muscles with a few minutes of cardio or stretches to prepare your body for massage. You can use the KOAPRO Massage Tools on bare skin with oil or over form-fitting clothing. Start with light pressure and ease into the massage. You can use various up and down, side to side, and diagonal massage strokes. If you encounter discomfort, reduce the pressure and focus on relaxing the surrounding muscles. Gradually increase sustained pressure as needed for deeper tension relief. The KOAPRO Massage Tools and thumbs help to release trigger points. You can use them to apply gentle pressure and knead the muscles in the hip area, focusing on releasing tension and restoring the myofascial tissue. You can also try incorporating movements like hip rotations, leg stretches, and changes in body position to enhance the effectiveness of the massage. Remember to breathe deeply and allow your body and mind to relax during the massage. You have full control over the pressure and duration of the massage. We recommend spending 1 to 3 minutes per area a few times a week for optimal results. Consistent use of the KOAPRO Massage Tools can help reduce tension, pain, and improve mobility and performance. Continue to use KOAPRO Massage Tools anytime you experience discomfort in your hips or want to enhance your hip health. Be sure to check out our other KOAPRO tutorials for more techniques on different muscle groups. Get ready to say goodbye to hip pain and enjoy pain-free days with the help of KOAPRO Massage Tools.